Hi everyone, this is for Lisa here with Homebody. So today is Sunday and I decided to clean up, do some dusting in here again. And I decided to change up my colors. So this is a color, the next color that I'm going to be using is a color that I used last spring in my home office. So I'm going to see if I'm going to like it here in my living room. So if you're interested in seeing what color I'm going to change to next, just keep your eyes tuned to this channel. So basically the items that I need to remove from my space are the tulips. I'm going to be removing the tulips, and then I'm going to go over and remove my pillows. And after I remove the pillows, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tulip from my end tables. And from there, then I can take my, be careful. I can remove my candles because I have another color candle that I'm going to be placing on my wall sconces. Remove this one. And I'm going to take these florals out of here. I'm not even sure if I'm going to leave this vase here or not, but I don't know. We'll see. Although I'm loving these, they're going to have to go for now. I wish I would have gotten another color of these because I like these so much. They're super, super cute. Okay, love, so let me just tell you where the coral / peach items came from. So I'm going to start with this side of the room. So these picks here actually came from Michael's, and I purchased these at the first of the spring. And these florals here actually came from Amazon. You can shop my Amazon storefront for these. Let's see here. The throw actually came from Home Goods. I purchased it on clearance. I paid about 20 bucks for this throw, and I think the regular price for it was around like 80 bucks or so. And these pillows, let me tell you, believe it or not, these are actually fall pillows. Let me show you. I just took them and turned them around. Check this out, how creative this is. Bam. It's a pumpkin. Okay, so yeah, so that's a pumpkin. Nobody would have known, right? If I wouldn't have told you. And so this pillow here came from Home Goods. And let's move on over here. This pillow also came from Home Goods. And using the same white Flores Hill pick that came from Michael's. This one also came from Michael's. And this is another pumpkin pillow. Bam. I'm so silly. So yeah, so pumpkin pillows actually came from Home Goods. This throw from Home Goods. That little faux fur rug in the floor from Home Goods. Nothing's different over there. And on my coffee table, these florals here are actually linen florals that actually came from Z Gallery. I purchased them during the springtime last year. Now, I'm going to try to find some more of these. I don't know why I didn't, but they had them on clearance again, and I didn't purchase them. So you can get these for like $5 or so a pick when they're on clearance. These candles smell so good. That's the only reason why I lit them. The candles actually smell like a peach, and they actually came from Home Goods last spring as well. Let's see here. That's the only thing over on this side that's the different colors. So let me move on over to the other side. So moving on around. So over here, now these florals here came from Michael's. And these little foam flowers here came from Hobby Lobby, probably last spring, as well as these last spring. These are items that I used in my home office last spring. None of these items are new. And then moving down here, I just pulled the yellow florals out and put those coral or peach stems in there. So, okay, love, so that is summing up this video. I hope that you enjoyed the color change for now. I do have a couple more colors that I can play around with for the spring before I start doing my summer ideas and whatnot. Now for the summer, I'm gonna go with two themes. I'm gonna do tropical and I'm going to do coastal. I love those two themes. And the kick is gonna be glam tropical and coastal glam. I love all things shiny. So I hope that you guys hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.